Good morning. Before the RBI Governor D. Subbarao takes center stage on Tuesday, our market has to deal with the global cues emanating from the Eurozone. No solutions are in sight immediately. The Indian market is expected to open on a weak note given the global risk of trade. Of course, some amount of caution would anyway set in before the RBI's mid-quarter monetary policy on March 19. C. Rangarajan, head of the PM's Economic Advisory Council, sees room for monetary policy to act in the direction of stimulating growth. Corporate Indian banks have been seeking rate cut. The Asian markets are weak. The Nikkei is down 2%, while South Korea's Kospi index is 0.5% lower. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index fell 1.6%, while China's Shanghai Composite Index is down 0.4%. Meanwhile, advanced tax numbers are reportedly higher than the previous year. Investors tend to associate the same with better performance by corporate India. Reports state that the target of collecting Rs 1.78 lakh crore corporate tax from Mumbai in 2012-2013, a 13% growth over the previous year, seems achievable. Following the Cobra Post sting operation, ICICI Bank has suspended 18 employees. HDFC Bank appointed Deloitte Touch Tohmatsu India to carry out an independent forensic inquiry into allegations of some of its officials facilitating money laundering issues. Axis Bank has said it has systems and processes that are robust and fully compliant with extant regulations. The market will keep a close watch on the developments in the money laundering issue. The Rs 90 billion pipeline between Surat and Paradip has become a prized asset even before state-run GAIL India formally begins work on it. In addition to IOC in talks with GAIL since November, BPCL, HPCL and Engineers India Limited have evinced interest in buying stakes in the 1,550-kilometer natural gas pipeline from South Gujarat to Odisha coast. State Bank of India plans to open up about 1,200 branches in the country and another 8 branch offices overseas, including China and the UK, in the next fiscal year. L&T Infrastructure Development Projects is in the advanced negotiation to divest up to 20% stake to mark investors. With some Rs 540 billion crore of their funds stuck in 215 projects, banks want the state and the central government to get their act together fast for statutory clearances. Trends in the FII flows. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 10.18 billion in the cash segment on Friday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 5.84 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 10.90 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, according to the figures released by SEBI. Our recommendations, technical calls for the day. We recommend selling Indus IND Bank March futures below Rs 423 for a target price of 409 with stop loss placed at Rs 430. The derivative strategies. Short India Cement March futures below Rs 84 for a target price of Rs 79 with stop loss placed at Rs 86. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.